Hey guys, today we're at 2612 75th Avenue in the heart of Oakland, California. We got a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-family home with 558 square feet. Come on, let's check it out. This is a charming little bungalow. Move-in ready, recently remodeled from top to bottom. Has great curb appeal, new paint, interior and exterior, updated flooring, brand new appliances, open floor plan, lots of natural light, great commuter access, close to Interstate 580, Highway 13, the CALDECOTT Tunnel, BART, San Francisco, schools, shopping, and restaurants. Here is our first bedroom with a half bath, and our primary bedroom, which comes with 2 entrances and a full bathroom with living room access, tub and shower, all right guys, well that wraps up today's tour. If you guys like this property, you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comment box. Otherwise, follow me on social media, check out my website, chrisleeluna.com, and I'll see you again next time.